Social Science Part 2, 8th Standard History, Chapter 3 and 4. Lesson based assessment LBA, questions and answers, key answers, NMMS SAT paper 2. Lesson number 3, Ancient Indian Civilizations, Sindu Saraswati Civilization and Vedic Civilization. Fourth, Prominent Civilizations of the World. Let's begin with first multiple choice question and answers. 1. The Indus Valley Civilization was found in the year of, our right option is A, 1920 to 21. Second, the person who led the excavation of India's ancient civilization was, our right option is third, C, John Marshall. Next, 3 fire altars were found at, our right option is A, Kali Bhangan. Next, 4, the site that has an efficient rainwater harvesting system, our right option is B, Dholavira. Next, 5, a large dockyard was found at, our right option is B, Lothal. Next, question number 2, answer the following questions in one sentence each. 1 marks question and 6. Who declared the Harappan civilization for, who discovered or declared that Harappan civilization for the first time? Our right option is John Marshall. Next, 7, mention the period of Vedic. Our answer is spans from 1500 before Common Era to 700 before Common Era. Next, 8, state the origin of the term Veda. Our answer, the word Veda means knowledge with. 9, which was the most ancient Veda? Answer, Rig Veda. 10, which was Mandala and Sukta of the Rig Veda that was the caste system mentioned? Our answer, Purusha Sukta in Rig Veda mentioned the Varna or caste system. Next, 11, name the main occupation during the later Vedic period. Our answer, agriculture. 12, how many hymns are there in Rig Veda? Our answer contains 1028. Next, 13, name 2 major civilizations of the world. Our answer, Egyptian and Mesopotamian civilization. Next, 14, how Saraswati river was called? Our answer, Saraswati river is called Gupta Gamini. Next, 15, where is the most of ruins of the Indus Saraswati civilization found? Our answer, traces of the Indo-Saraswati civilization are mostly found in Sindh and Punjab provinces. Next, 3, answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences each. 16, what was the ancient civilization of India called? Answer, names of the civilizations are here. First, Indus Valley civilization, Indus Saraswati civilization, Harappa civilization, Mohenjo-daro civilization. Next, 17, name the Vedas. Rig, Yajur, Sam, Atharva, Veds. Next, 18, how did civilizations originate? Our answer, the origin and development of the civilizations are fascinating. Nomadic communities settled and built permanent home. They began producing food and learn animal husbandry. Next, 19, describe the town planning of Harappa. Answer, structure of Harappan civilization had 2 or more divisions. The western part was smaller and elevated, and it called as a citadel. The eastern part was larger and lower, referred as the village. Each section was surrounded by walls of burnt bricks make them sturdy. 19, describe the town planning of Harappa. Our answer, structures of Harappan civilization. Harappa had 2 or more divisions. The western part of wall smaller and elevated. Question number 4. Answer the following questions in 5 or 6 sentences. 20. Explain the significance of the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Answer, it was built with a burnt bricks. Care was taken to prevent water leakage from the bath. It had steps on the both sides for access. There were rooms around the bath. Water was supplied to the bath from a well. A system was in a place to drain used water, likely used by important individuals for bathing. Next question number 21. Describe the unique features of the production of daily use items in Indus Valley civilization. Our answer: crafts and industries of the Harappan civilization. Harappan people was using cotton and silk. They carved on stones and ivory. They produced wool. They made furniture. They crafted tools like chisels and axes from bronze. Next question number 5. Answer the following questions in 7 or 8 sentence. 22. List out the unique features of the town planning of the Indus Saraswati civilization. Answer: the lower area was a residential zone. Houses were built systematically. Roads and drainage systems were constructed. Houses had one or two stories. Burnt bricks were used for construction. House door faced side lanes with no windows facing the roads. Wells and bathrooms were present in every house. Domestic wastewater flowed into the drainage system with the manholes for cleaning and dedicated officials to oversee maintenance. Next 23. Describe the social and political system of the Vedic period. Our answer: early Vedic period. The Rig Veda 10th mandala mentions the Varna system. Society had 4 Varnas: Brahmins, Kshatriya, Vaishyas and Shudras, determined by occupation. Women held a high status and marriage has practiced. The king was called Rajan, supported by institutions like Sabha, Samiti and Vidhata. Later Vedic period. The caste system became hereditary and more complex. Women lost their social status and practices like widow remarriage were banned. Child marriage and dowry systems emerged. The Vidhata institution disappeared, reducing the king's advisory bodies. Next question number 4. Lesson number 4. Prominent civilizations of the world. First, multiple choice question and answers. 1. The civilization that was discovered on the banks of river Nile is, our right option is option A, Egyptian civilization. Second, the king who conquered Persia in the 4th century before Common Era was, our right option is B, Alexander the Great. 3. The first writing in Mesopotamia was developed by, our right option is C, Sumerians. 4. The Hanging Gardens of Babylonia were constructed by, our right answer is second B, Nebuchadnezzar II. 5. The Huanghe River flows in this nation. Our right option is option A, China. 6. The length of the Great Wall of China is, our right option is 5,000 kilometers. Next 7. The deity worshipped by the Inca was, our right option is C, Sun. Next 8. Hieroglyphics. The system of writing belongs to the period of, our right option is here B, Egyptian civilization. Next question number 2. Answer the following questions in one word or sentence. 9. Name the language of Romans. Answer: Latin. 10. Who called Mesopotamia as a land of 2 rivers? Our right option is ancient Greeks. Next 11. How Egyptian kings were called? Our answer is pharaohs. Next question number 12. What is a mummy? Answer is a mummy is a body preserved by coating it with chemicals and wrapped it in thin cloth. Next 13. What is a pyramid? Answer: the tallest tower built over the tombs of Greek kings is called, Egyptian kings is called pyramid. Next 14. Which king built the city of Alexandria? Our right answer is 2, King Ptolemy or Alexander. 15. Which was the epicenter of the Mesopotamian civilization? Is a central location is Euphrates and Tigris river. Next 16. How the places of worship of Sumerian are called? Answer: Ziggurat. Next 17. Who was the famous king of Babylonia? Our answer is Nebuchadnezzar II. 18. Which was the first dynasty of Chinese civilization? Our answer is Shang dynasty. Next, answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. 19. Huanghe River is called as a China's sorrow. Why? Because impact of floods on civilization. The river changed its course during the floods. Floods damaged the houses, causing hardship to the settlements. Agricultural land and canals were destroyed due to flood. Next 20. What are the characteristics of the Hammurabi's code? Answer. Hammurabi's code based on the principle of an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. It ensured that the same harm was inflicted on the perpetrator as he was caused to the victim. This code was formulated to protect Babylonian society, including women and children, slaves. Next, question number 4. Answer the following questions in a 5 or 6 sentence each. 21. Mention the historical significance of the Great Wall of China. Answer. China originally consisted of many small states, and these were later unified into 7 large states. To protect the unified state, independent walls were built along the border. These walls were connected to prevent invasions from the north. Construction of the North Great Wall of began in 7th century BCE and continued until the 6th century BCE, spanning 5,000 kilometers. It is one of the wonders of the world. 22. Shang kings spent much of the time in warfare. Justify. Our answer. Shang kings spent a considerable time in war and invasions. They gave significant importance to the military. Soldiers were given high status and respect. Soldiers wore bronze helmets and metal body armor. Archaeological findings including bronze knives, axes, bows, and arrows with the metal tips used by them. Next 23. Write about the talent of crafting gold jewelry of Inca. Our answer. The golden artistry in Peru. The Peru region was highly developed. Chest armor was crafted with the gold. Images of the sun in temples were made of gold. Palaces ornaments were also manufactured by gold. Various types of the gold jewelry were created, showcasing their artistic skill in gold craftsmanship. Next, question number 24. Sun was considered as a worshipping god by the Incas. Give reason. Answer. The sun was a primary deity of the Incas. They believed Viracocha was the creator of deity. They considered the sun as a link between Viracocha and humanity. Every Inca center had a sun temple.